For the very first time in 4 years, I got braids on. Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima and I'm glad you are here watching my video. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to moisturize in braids or extensions. I'm so sorry I didn't show you how I DIY the content of my spray bottle, but relax, I will explain. So in my spray bottle, I have my leave-in conditioner, water, glycerin, menthol crystals, dissolved in essential oil. So I started by spraying the mix on my braids, on the part that has my hair in them. After that, I sealed in the moisture with my oil mix. Link on how I made this oil will be in the description box. Please kindly watch this video to the end to get all instructions, because a lot of you don't watch the videos to the end and then you come to the comment section to ask me questions on what I already discussed in the video. So please watch to the end so you can get all the instructions. For the menthol crystals that I used, I actually dissolved that in essential oil. That helps with itching. So throughout my protective style, throughout the time that I'm going to be having this protective style on, I'm not going to be itching. That's the work of that menthol crystals. I've shared it on this channel and I've shared how it could be dissolved on the channel, so please check the video out. After moisturizing the braids, dry hair with the cool settings on your hair dryer. Braids might seem like a low maintenance style, but to keep your hair and braids looking healthy and smooth, you will need to moisturize them regularly, say 2 to 3 times a week. Apply a moisturizer to your braids and seal your hair with oil or hair butter cream. While choosing a conditioner, select a leave-in conditioner which is more lightweight than a rinse out conditioner. The goal of the conditioner is to add moisture to your hair, which is in braids, make it smoother and can make your hair look healthier. Try to find a conditioner that matches your hair needs. The glycerin is added to reduce frizz in your hair and also keep it moisturized. Spray the moisturizer in chunks, that is section by section. Continue to spray and rub down your braids with the moisturizer. Remember to get the hard to reach braids at the back of your head. Do not forget to wash and condition your hair in braids twice a month, that is if you're keeping it for a month. Also clean your scalp every week using 1 part of apple cider vinegar to 2 parts of water with a cotton pad. Use that to clean your scalp weekly. Make sure that your scalp is clean in braids. Do not forget to apply neem oil on your scalp or any other hair growth oil shared on this channel. This will help with hair growth. While moisturizing your hair in braids, do not forget your edges and your nape areas. They are very important. Whatever you're doing to your hair, make sure to do same to your edges and your napes. This information is very important. Make sure not to trim your hair after getting braids, especially the part that has your hair, because you can cut your hair in the process. Like these braids that I have on, I made sure that the stylist didn't trim the part that has my hair in them. Let me know in the comment section, how do you moisturize in protective style and what products do you use? Please, if you have questions regarding all that I've said in this video, please ask away in the comment section and I will reply you all. I attached this video to show you guys how I stretch my hair. A lot of you have been asking lately. I use African threading method to stretch my hair. This video was filmed way back 2019 I'm so sorry about the quality, but I just want to pass a message across on how I stretch my hair. Also, I added these clips for those of you that doubt my hair. Most of you accuse me in the comment section of most of my videos, telling me that my thumbnails are fake, that I'm faking it, that my hair is not real, that my hair is actually wig, that I'm wearing wig to deceive people. Now, my question is, what kind of wig is this? What kind of wig can be combed like this without it pulling out? Most of you think you can just watch 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes of a video and then conclude, come to the comment section and type anything you like. It's not done like that, sis. Kinky hair grow thick and long, if you don't know. That brings me to the end of this video anyway. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye guys.